Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to check your processor in Android phones. So this is my phone I'm using for Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and then I want to show you how to check this processor of my phone. So I will open my menu and then find for the settings here. As you can see, this is the setting, and then actually it's really easy. After I open the settings, it will open the interface like this, and then you can click this about phone. So it will be showing up all your phone information here. As you can see, there are several information like MIUI version, device name, storage, and so on. On here you can see this is the all specs option. You can click that all specs option. After that, you can see this is my specs of processor. I have a CPU for octa-core max to 2.3 gigs, and then I have my 8 gigs of RAM, and this is the model, the kernel version, the internal storage, and so on and so on and so on. That's it. This is very simple to check your processor on your Android phone. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, or you just can click thanks on down below. That will we will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.